guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I'm going to do a cleaning video and I was going to be doing a power hour, but I've just changed it to a general clean with me, so I will just be concentrating on a couple of areas. Today is my birthday. Saturday the 19th of May is my birthday. Robert has taken Ava to rugby tots. Usually I go every week, but I've decided to stay back for two reasons. One is that I wanted to record this so it's out of the way. Robert did actually say that he was going to be cleaning, but I'm just going to do it while he's gone. It's just simpler. And then secondly, the royal wedding is on. So Prince Harry is marrying Meghan Markle today. So Meghan Markle is from Suits. So I love anything royal. So pretty much going to be glued to the TV all day and checking that out. If you also have watched the royal wedding today, leave it below in the comments. I'd love to hear and I'd love to chat about it. So from what I can see, we're now seeing inside Windsor Castle, or St. George's Cathedral I think it's called, and the flowers are amazing. Whew. Anyways, so I'm going to be cleaning today. I'm going to be mainly just concentrating on the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, and also I just need to do a little bit spritz of the bathroom as well. So let's just jump right into it. So there we have it, guys. That is today's cleaning video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, I'd love if you give it a thumbs up, and also if you are new here, I'd love if you subscribe. Also, over on my blog, I post new posts every single, no, I post a post every 4 days. So right now I have one up about a nature reserve that I have reviewed, also a Tot School related blog post, and Tot School is just school that I do with my toddler school. So it's about nature walks over there. I'll have all of those blog posts linked below. If you are looking for more cleaning related videos, power hours, all those sorts of things, they will also be in the description for you guys to check out. And if you have any comments, queries or questions, please do leave them in the comments below. And also remember to leave below whether or not you watched the royal wedding. So Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, and they're going to be called the Duke and Duchess of Sussex as far as I know. But anyways, that's all I have for today. Bye.